Gracie, can you show your new toy? There's Gracie with her new toy. Even though she has a fussy face, she likes it. Yes, you talk to the bunny? You talk to the bunny? Yeah? Yeah? Should we make your elephant sing? You like it when he sings. See if I can do it with one hand. There we go. There we go. That's a good girl. Oh, look at the bunny go. Look at the bunny go. Yes, so you like the bunny. Should we make the elephant dance? Should we make his feet dance? Oops, where'd you go? There you are. Oh, goodness. You gonna talk to the toys? No, because I turned on the camera. Now you're gonna be fussy. Oh. You're okay. It's okay. Where's all the excitement you had earlier for your toys? It's gone. It's okay. See the bunny? The bunny. Like the bunny. Can I get your nose? 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 Can I get you? 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 Uh-huh. Let me get you. I want to get your nose. I want to get your nose. Here we go. I want to get your nose. Uh-huh. There's some happy faces. Yes. Hi. 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 Good job.